I came into Spring Gardens sight unseen, but when they explained it to me, I said, take it. That's the best one yet.
The family feeling is what I was looking for when I walked through this place.
The location was perfect. Get on the freeway, get off the freeway, and you're at Mom's.
You could be having the worst day of your life, and you come to work and they'll say the cutest little things and you're happy all over again. It's the people, truly.
I found a second home. I could not believe it. Within a month, I had buddies, both employees and residents. I've been very blessed.
It's that it feels like home to them, and it feels like, you know, we treat them like family. They really see that our team really cares. The activities, the programs that we offer, we just try to have a lot of fun. I think that's what's important, to have quality of life and them knowing that they can still have a lot of fun.
To have your family support you, they're coming in to enjoy what you already have been enjoying, and it's just a fun time for all. If there is an activity that I don't like, I don't know what it is.
We had some great German music, and our dining team prepared some delicious German food, and our families and residents were able to really enjoy that. We do like weekly happy hours, do fun ice cream socials, we play games.
But if you want to join a family, we have a big family here that we all love each other.
I can't tell you enough about the staff. The staff are like family. They fulfilled all my expectations, and some of those expectations are, don't bother me.
I know everybody thinks they've found the perfect place, and I'm one of them. It's just been grand to be here. I'll come and visit. The minute you walk in the door, you'll be greeted with a smile and some crazy people like me.
You need to check out Spring Gardens. They offer everything that you could desire or would desire, and I'm sure you'll want to join our family, and I hope to see you soon.